when it comes to diabetes, what are some of the environmental effects that you're familiar with that actually can increase your risk for diabetes?
Well, there's some pretty good evidence that plasticizers, for example, and fire retardants and certain pesticides, to give a few examples, can cause diabetes. We don't know if they do or not, but certainly they warrant investigation.
So is there a particular one that you've done or researched or found to be more critical than others?
Well, my work is very basic, and I don't ever want to give the wrong impression. So I want to state that up front, that the things that we've worked with up to now, and that I have a reasonable amount of data about, affect pancreatic beta cells and insulin secretion. And they include emulsifiers, preservatives like monooleal glycerol. They include artificial sweeteners, saccharin, and in fact most of them that we've tested, although saccharin's the most potent, iron, which is increased in our food consumption. And all of those things cause the beta cell to secrete insulin when there is no stimulation for it. And so I think these things would be worthwhile to look at, for example, in the blood of people who develop diabetes, to find out whether the findings that we have pertain to humans. So these are in cells, and that's not whole people. It may be that they do or they don't affect it, but one has to do studies at that level before you can then take the next step and test them in animals, and then take the next step and test them in humans.